Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your background from your photo on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and you can use the open button or the plus icon to open up any image that you would like to edit. Now, first of all, open up the background that you would like to add within your photo from your gallery and then tap on Tools and scroll down and tap on Double Exposure to upload your photo of which you would like to change the background. Then tap on Open Image to upload your photo, and once you choose your photo, you can pinch and zoom in or zoom out in order to scale it and put into position within your photo. Once you have added this picture, you can tap on the tick mark to apply your changes. And now, go ahead and tap on Edit Stack. From the Edit Stack menu, tap on View Edits, and then you can tap on Double Exposure once again and use the Editing Stack brush. Now tap on the Invert option and you can double click to zoom in to fine-tune your edit. Now just carefully use the brush in order to select and highlight the subject of the photo. This is usually a person. After carefully removing the red highlight from the subject of your photo, go ahead and tap on Invert and then tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. This will now add your subject within your photo, but you still need to make it more opaque. So tap on Double Exposure once again and tap on the Settings option. From here, tap on Opacity and increase the opacity to your desired level. Now, once you tap on the tick mark, your photo will be added with your chosen opacity level right away. And you can now apply your changes and export your photo right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your background on the Snapseed application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.